Is it recording?
Yes.
Saturday, September 20th, 2008. It's picking up the sound of your feet. Saturday, September 20th, 2008, 12:55 p.m. a.m. 8 p.m. It's afternoon. We're looking at what I think are yellow jackets eating a mouse that's sitting in my driveway. I noticed it when I came home from work yesterday. I think there's 3 of them. Here's joined by a 4th. There's also a fly. Don't know how visible. Yeah, there's the fly.
It's not the only animal that's died around here.
Yeah, Moon died. Moon is Craig's cat. Craig died in 2003, so Moon's with Craig now.